Chuck E. Cheese. Instead of songs today, we've got a symphony.
We want to show we have some class.
We have some style.
We have panache.
But we had to find an orchestra that plays for pizza pie instead of cash.
That's right, 'cause it takes a lot of instruments to play this stuff and make it come out right.
It takes a drum,
Some piccolos,
Violins and oboes.
tubas, clarinets,
And harps.
To hit those flats and sharps, you've got to have some guys in suits with trumpets, timpanis, and flutes.
it takes a cello,
And a banjo.
and a banjo.
Back in the hills where I come from, I learned to play Beethoven's Fifth on the banjo the country way. It's kind of hard to do, but I will try for you. Play, magic fingers, play.
I guess we're having a strong fun now.
Because the strings, he's great. Golly gee whiz.
Wow! For a short-haired dog, you sure can play long-haired music.
Okay, Jasper, bring it on home.
And so you can make Ludwig van a country man when you play with Beethoven's Fifth.
I sing all day to kitchen walls, but I'd love to croon in concert halls. Trade pizza dough for do, re, mi, and sing the classics operatically.
He would.
But still, it's true, there's something Caruso could never do.
Caruso.
Just to start with goo and make a special pizza pie for you. Now, if we may, we will play Flight of the Bumblebee.
That won't be hard. In my yard, I found one easily. Yeah.
You brought a real live bee in here?
That just shouldn't be allowed.
Dear me, where is the bee?
I think he flew into the crowd.
Punch, you best think of something quick.
You could whack it with a stick.
Or attack it with a brick.
We could just call it a day and get up and run away.
Watch it.
Yikes!
Don't worry, I've got a can of spray.
Is it a bug bomb?
Nope, it's my cologne.
A fate worse than death.
This song reminds me of the circus where I saw an act I'd never seen before.
You did?
Tell us more.
One man was juggling torches, taming lions on a wire way up off the floor.
How exciting!
Wow!
If not for that, I would have gone to sleep, 'cause classic music can become a bore.
Jasper, classical music is never boring, especially from this composer.
Well, who is he?
Khachaturian.
Gesundheit.
No.
You know, Helen, Jasper's right. That slow, syrupy classical music just puts me to sleep.
No, that's just nonsense, and I'll prove it to you right now. I love to sing of beautiful things. A soft moonlit night when romance takes flight. A long-lasting love that will never break up. But most of all, what I love is yellow boys.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
What happened, Helen?
That's better. When birds take wing and flowers bloom, I hear the voice of spring.
When a robin sing a happy little tune, I hear the voice of spring. When lovers kiss beneath the moon, I hear the voice of spring.
It's a song you hear inside your heart.
But cannot sing.
There's no other music quite as sweet as the voice voice of spring.
Well, that was a bouncy little number.
It sure was. Munch, where did you learn to play the spring like that?
I learned it in spring training.
But you folks ain't heard nothing yet, because coming up next is our grand finale.
That's pronounced finale.
Whatever.
Munch, did you get some noisemakers?
Yep, at the Army Surplus Store.
Army surplus store? What did you buy?
Just a little cannon so I can shoot a salute, and a couple cannonballs so I can make some noise.
Andy got some fireworks, cherry bombs, blasting caps, powder cakes, and claymore mines that we can employ.
7 tons of TNT, nitro and hand grenades, skyrockets and sparklers, and that isn't all.
A German tank, a berry pistol, Roman candles, guided missiles, howitzers, and ACA guns. Won't this be a ball?
And remember, kids, we're trained musicians. Don't try this at home.
Now to light the fuse. Nope. Oh, shucks. I'm out of matches.
Mamma mia.
But I think I've got a lighter in one of my pockets.
Oh, I didn't know Munch had a lighter.
I didn't even know he had pockets.
We better wrap this up.
Or we'll be ending the show with a real bang.
And now you better taste the classical. A little fraction and fantastical. The great composers were an awful lot of fun. Who else would write a song ending with a gun? I found my lighter.
We know.
Before we go, we send our sympathy to any lovers of the symphony. We thank you for attending with this grand finale ending all. Junkie Jesus Classics Show.
And we'll be back once the smoke is cleared. See you then.